With video and content creation becoming such an important part of wedding photography, many wedding photographers are asking, how can I deliver my videos and video clips to my couples? Well, Pic-Time has just answered that question with video delivery. This is an extremely important and exciting feature that Pic-Time is adding to their existing galleries, where you can upload full feature videos and also clips right inside of your galleries to deliver it to your couples. And if you're not already offering clips to your couples because you're unsure of how to do it, stick around to the end of the video where I'll share some tips on how you can record video clips even with something like your iPhone. Going forward in the wedding industry, offering video services or even just short clips or reels is going to go a long way with your wedding photography business. So let's talk about how you can actually upload these videos to your galleries in Pic-Time, as well as some tips of how you can start recording your own videos for your weddings. With video delivery, you can upload two types of videos: feature-length videos up to 90 minutes and also clips up to 30 seconds. This means if you have a team that does photo and video, now you can include your videos directly inside of your Pic-Time galleries so that everything can be delivered at one place. Up to 90 minutes is going to cover any type of video you're going to be doing for your weddings, from full ceremonies, wedding day highlights, and anything in between. These feature-length videos have their own scenes, and also you can upload a thumbnail to them as well to give them a beautiful look right inside of Pic-Time. As far as resolutions for your uploads, you can go from SD all the way up to 4K, so no matter how you're recording your videos, you know you can upload whichever resolution is going to work well for your business. The cool thing as well about your featured videos is you can actually sell them as well. Inside of the Pic-Time store, you can set it up so that your couples can either download their videos or purchase them. So maybe let's say the featured video is not a part of their package, but you go ahead and make it anyway and include it and say, hey, if you want to have this for yourself and download it, you can go ahead and buy it there. So this is another great way to make more income through Pic-Time as well. To upload a featured video inside of my gallery, I'll have an option for featured videos, or I can add a new scene and add my video that way. So let's add a new scene. I'll call it engagement highlight video, and then I can upload my featured video. Again, our limit on our featured videos is 90 minutes, which is great for most videos you're going to be delivering on your weddings or engagements. I'm going to select my video. So now that my video is done uploading, we see it here at the bottom. I can rearrange this in my gallery if I'd like to. I normally like to put my videos at the top. And I can also change the settings for my video. In the settings, this is where I can change the name of the video, upload my own custom thumbnail, and also set up my settings for how my couples can download this video. So if I click here, let's go ahead and add a thumbnail. So there's my custom thumbnail. And for my download settings, I'm going to go ahead and let my couple download this. We can change the default settings here. And we can allow free downloads, only the main client. And again, I can sell it if I'd like to as well. Keep in mind, you can also add multiple featured videos. So again, if you're doing a wedding and you have a highlight video and then also the ceremony itself, just kind of like the raw ceremony, you can put both of those in their own scenes and have them uploaded as well. Clips again are going to be up to 30 seconds, and this is great for little clips that you're taking throughout the day that you can actually put beside your photos inside the gallery. That's probably my favorite thing about uploading clips, is that you can be taking photos and then take a quick clip while your couple is posing, and you can put these beside the photos to get some nice motion in the video in your gallery. You can see here I did a couple portrait session before their wedding, and I was able to get video clips alongside my photos. And so while they're scrolling through their gallery, they're able to see these videos just automatically play, which is really cool. The videos autoplay on the mobile galleries as well. So no matter how your couples are viewing their photos, they will see these videos playing automatically in their gallery. Clips are uploaded the same way that your featured videos are, except they're only up to 30 seconds. Now, if you want to get creative, you can create your own scene. You can upload your reels this way, so all of your vertical videos. This is a great way to present all the content creation that's happening on the wedding day, aside from any other featured videos. However, for me personally, I like to upload my videos directly into the gallery and show them aside my actual photos. To do that, you see I already have my photos uploaded here, but I want to go ahead and add my video clips to it. So I'll click on Photos and Clips, select my files, pick all of my video files, and then they will upload into my gallery. Once my video clips are uploaded, I'll be able to see them in my gallery. What I normally like to do is come to View All of my photos, find where my videos are, which will usually be at the bottom if you upload them after the fact, but then I'll move them in the gallery to fit next to the photos that happened around the same time. So I can take this and drag it up. And so you see here I have this photo, so I'll put it right there in between. And so now you have a video clip that's going to play right beside the photos of the same moment. Here goes some stuff from the earlier section as well. So that'll be around here. And I generally will do this for all of my video clips. And this is how the gallery looks after you've uploaded all of your video clips and featured videos. As usual, I have my beautiful Pic Time presentation. My couples can go into their gallery and they're going to be presented with their actual highlight video. After their highlight video, they can scroll down and see their beautiful photos. And inside of their photos, there will also be video clips that will automatically play aside of their photos. So it's a really cool feature that I absolutely love, especially putting the video clips right here beside the photos. Each Pic-Time plan comes with its own amount of storage, and you can upgrade that storage if needed. You can go all the way up to 5 terabytes, so if you're offering a lot of video with each of your weddings, this is going to be a great solution for you to deliver your photos and videos and not have to worry about having 2 different services or extra links to send to your couples or anything of that sort. Now, if you haven't already started adding video to your photography coverage, I highly recommend it. And let's actually talk about some quick tips to go ahead and start getting at least clips at your wedding days so that you can include this in your packages. The first and easiest way to start adding video coverage to your wedding days is by offering hybrid shooting. Hybrid shooting is where you're doing photo and video at the same time. Keep in mind this is better for short clips and not for a feature video. Basically think just a wedding highlight, because taking photos and video at the same time is not the easiest thing in the world. If you're not familiar with hybrid shooting and have never done it, definitely check out my video up above where I go over settings and what you'll need to do this. But with hybrid shooting, the biggest thing you'll want is a camera that can switch between photo and video very quickly. As you all know, I use the Fujifilm X-T5, and I love that it has a quick little switch where I can switch between photo and video. And the great thing about it as well is my video settings are separate from my photo settings. So if I switch to video, it's going to stay in the settings that I already had it, which makes it much easier for me to just switch over and go ahead and get the video clips that I need. The best way to get this coverage as well is while your couple is posing, make sure to have them doing something. Don't just have them standing there. Have them interacting with each other, playing a game, something of that sort. And while they're doing that, you take your couple of shots and then just get a quick 15 to 20 second video. If you're recording everything in 60 FPS, you can slow it down so that 30-second video now turns to a minute long. You can pick out a spot that looks the nicest and everything looks better slowed down. That reminds me of that Dave Chappelle clip. Now, if hybrid shooting is too much for you, the second thing you can do is have your second photographer take short clips for you. I normally do this when I need BTS of myself. However, you could do this for the couple as well. If you have your second photographer shooting over your shoulder, it's easy to let them know, hey, during the day, every now and then take some video clips so that I can use them. Let them know how to set up those video clips as far as shooting it at 60 FPS, so on and so forth. And if you get a bunch of little clips like that, you can definitely make nice video coverage for your couples. The easiest way to do this is to hand your second photographer a camera that you know how it works, set it up for them, and just let them know, hey, expose it correctly like you would a photo, and that's it. They don't need to be a videographer or anything of that sort. Pretty much the biggest rules are hold it steady and get the exposure right. Other than that, they should be able to handle it. And the third way to get video coverage at your weddings is by using an additional device. Right now, I'm testing out an iPhone setup, which I'm super excited about. But check this out. Basically, I have a hot shoe mount for my iPhone. And then because the iPhone 15 Pro and above can shoot 60 FPS and in log, I'm going to get great video out of my iPhone. I've already done this in the past and have a video about it, which I'll link up above as well. But even on my trip to Japan recently, a lot of my slow motion clips that I took, I did on my phone. Get yourself a nice indie filter for your phone, like the Moment one, and you're going to be able to take great clips. Using something like this hot shoe mount, basically what I can do is line up my photos, make my phone record, and just leave it recording, get these clips, and then edit them down and either make a highlight or have clips to deliver to my couples. Also too, if y'all want to see this in action or me actually using it, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and make a full video on using this iPhone setup for you all. Another device that works well is the Osmo Pocket 3. I absolutely love this thing and I use it for everything. I think the hardest part is figuring out how you're going to hold it. You can mount it to your chest or anything like that, but I don't think that's going to be best. Basically, I think the best way to use it is going to be taking a couple photos and then grabbing your Osmo and just taking a quick little video clip. Video delivery is a huge deal and can make a big difference in your wedding photography business going forward. I highly recommend trying this out. And again, if you're not already using Pic-Time, you need to go ahead and sign up for them and start using this so that you can deliver your photos beautifully as well as your videos. If you're not familiar with Pic-Time at all, here's a video I made in the past about them, and definitely start uploading your videos, making video clips, and hybrid shooting. Let me know what your thoughts are on hybrid shooting, if you do it already or if you want to do it. Also, let me know your feelings about wedding content creators, because the biggest thing here is, instead of being mad about video content creators, why don't you make your own content? You can do it yourself and then upcharge that inside of your packages. Anyways, that's just a couple of ideas, and I hope this helped you out with actually sending video clips to your couples. Definitely sign up for Pic-Time and check out my other videos here about shooting video, and I'll catch you all next time.